It's her birthday.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell. Ho, ho, ho.
It is her birthday. It is her birthday. She's already in her birthday suit.
I was born naked. Couldn't I wear naked as well?
No.
As a celebration?
Good morning.
Nah, God, school.
No. Can't you find him? Hi, Dad. Bye, Dad. No. Okay, guys, it is day 5 of Vlogmas, and it is her birthday.
Happy birthday
To her, happy birthday to her, happy birthday, dear Shannon.
to all the people who born on the same day with me.
So if you were born on December 5, comment down below, let me know, and happy birthday to you. But today's her day. Woohoo! Anyways, guys, so today is gonna be kind of a fun vlog because I'm going to Mandeville and I've got to shop and do business. So in case you're the Ministry of Education and watching this, I did not go to school to go and shop. I go to school to go do business. Right? Yes, right. I went to do business. Yeah. Anyways,
Go get your work done.
I know. Anyways, so you guys will be seeing one of my great friends, my college friend Lissy, today. Yeah, we'll be hanging out for the day. Sorry, it's not Shan. I wanted her to come, but she has to go to work on her birthday. I'm gonna enjoy her birthday for her.
I'll enjoy it on Saturday.
Yeah, Saturday's vlog will be great.
You like my nails? Check out Toya's.
Yes, Toya's nails. That's where I'm getting my nails done. So yeah, that will be great. Hello. I don't know you. Hey guys, look who I found.
Hi.
But I never find her. I'm gonna go for her. Oh, it's up for school. Yeah, she had fried dumpling on the road, which she's not supposed to do. Yo, black and folio. Cashier. Alright guys, so we're in the store. We shopping. Listen, buy this for yourself.
Sometimes I wish I was tired. Bye.
Oh, listen, come. Find something what me did say me want. Oh man, I can't even find the colors.
Shoes, like one nude flat shoes. I don't want one strap up slippers.
Why?
I don't know. But I like none of them.
Anyways guys, we in Top Queen. We be looking. Ooh! So we finally reached them. My Christmas stuff. I think this is missing some balcony.
Just feel like some could have.
Is it supposed to have more? You know what's yellow? That's terrible. Should I really? Hey guys, we're in Chicago.
Flowy pants.
That's cute. I love them color. Them the blue and the green. I'm a sucker for bright colors. That is why I love yellow. You know.
I like your strap shape.
Let's see.
Look at this dress. That looks like
Oh
a
my
rectangle.
God. I know, so some people will look good, pan. Just saying. Where you going? Where you go? Where you go? I have these two. I have those two. So I was thinking like for me. Ooh, that is so cute. Take a one. 200? It's definitely not 200. I'm gonna look bigger. Yeah, I work with me, and I work with me outside.
Sorry, I'm not used to this.
Say bye.
I bought glasses instead of shoes, people. This is what happens when you go on the road with Shanna K. Bailey. I was supposed to get a pair of shoes to go with a dress, and now I have a new pair of shades, which is awesome.
They're almost like mine. I don't think they're kind of cuter.
Kinda. They are cuter. I'm saying bye.
Comments. Which one is cuter? This is number 1. This is number 2. Comments 1 or 2.
Look at this beautiful
1,
flowers.
2.
Look at these flowers. I obviously win.
call.
Oh, I'm saying bye. I'm saying bye. Bye.
Bye, guys. Well, I'm saying bye to Lacey until I see her again. So,
Yes.
So I've done shopping. I've left Lisan, and I am gonna head home now. Hi. So this present here, basically.
Oh my god.
She's so extra.
Oh my god. She obeyed.
What? I didn't obey you.
Oh, you. She definitely obeyed.
I was thinking it's too big, but I couldn't eat it because it was so cute.
Thank you for my prayers. They have been answered, and it's kind of pinky. Cute. See, right?
Where? Just, I thought you could
Talk up to me. If you know me, you know I love my birthday.
Anyways, guys, so this is our present.
I just want to say on behalf of me, say thanks to you all. The celebration does not end here. I celebrate all of December. So I love you guys. Thanks for an awesome day. And this is done primary and infant, parents, children, everybody. Big up to my family, to my large. Big up, say mate. Big bad girl, yes. My mother, my father. Thanks for having me in your life. My sister, I love you so much. This is her channel. Please do not make the mistake and don't subscribe. Please subscribe. Please like. Love you guys. Mwah.
Heard it already. I don't need to do my outro again because she already did it for me. So I'll see you guys in the next. She could have never forgot Nikki, man. Anyways, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.
Feeling Christmas on